Welcome back to TechMan. You will be guided through the process of configuring Google Authenticator on Binance via this tutorial. Your account security is increased when you use two-factor authentication, or F2A, which makes it considerably more difficult for unauthorized users to access your account. Now navigate to Binance and open it. Enter your email address and password. Then click on the login button if you haven't logged in yet. Click on your profile icon, usually located at the top left corner. Then click the settings icon on the top. From here, scroll down until you see Others and tap on Security right here to access your account security settings. Look for the two-factor authentication option within the security settings. Click the Enable button below. Launch the Google Authenticator app on your device. I suggest using another phone for scanning the QR code from Binance on your phone. Type in the code sent on your Gmail that you bind on Binance. Once done, click Submit. Over here, you can see this instruction. Just follow this along. Copy or scan the QR on the first step. Then once done, click Next. You'll have to type the code from your Google Authenticator. Click Submit, and you're done. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.